violates their human rights. The institution has received millions from municipal, provincial, and federal governments despite the policy. And as Global's Brian Robinson reports tonight, the city of Moncton's funding for the university has actually increased over the years.
You know, if you're going to use public money, it has to be used for the public.
Gay rights activists in Moncton say public funding for Crandall University should be taken away, not increased. The private institution has received some $24 million in public funding since 1996. But its faith-based rules stipulate management will not hire homosexuals.
Cut the funding. I think it should be cut. I don't think it should be going there if they are indeed a private institution and want to enforce this. It is against the human rights law.
However, the opposite has been happening. In 2010, Moncton City Council voted to increase its $100,000 annual grant by $50,000. In addition, earlier this month, Council passed a long-term grant policy that allows Crandall to qualify for more funding, despite its anti-homosexual rules. Councillor Daniel Bourgeois is against the long-term grant policy, but he thinks Crandall should still get public funding, despite its controversial hiring policy.
These are the institutions that draw to the city the best and the brightest minds of the region.
However, the Canadian Association of University Teachers won't even recognize it as a university because of the policy.
If an institution calls itself a university, imposes an ideological test or a faith test as a condition of being able to be a professor there, we think that's entirely inappropriate.
But Crandall staff say they are not violating anyone's human rights.
Because the human rights standard does allow for certain bona fide positions as it relates to faith and religious positions.
But they say their rules are open to debate.
And I'm certainly fine with those who want to disagree and challenge it. In fact, we can have students come and challenge it.
Brian Robinson, Global News, Moncton.
Well, now it's time to have your say. Should Moncton Council stop funding Crandall University because it prohibits the hiring of homosexuals? Vote now at globalmaritimes.com. It's not mutiny, but some regular users of the Grand Manan